rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell me.
You got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Not many. That's because nobody plays a whole song. Huh?
Is DC audio on there?
Niggas say how you gonna make a first day out? You ain't been locked up no 5-6 days. We ain't doing no sitting, pussy. Our lawyer paid, bond paid up, nigga. We getting money.
Hot.
Hey,
They hot.
let's go.
You want me to come back?
Bitch, they let me back up on the block. The first I need a 8. I ain't gonna cut you like.
I think my cable just broke on my window.
Ah.
Rolling it down
You drove in here?
from Milwaukee.
How long was that of a drive?
3 hours.
Okay, it wasn't too far then. Oh yeah, that ain't too bad. What's the next?
I just lost my window. Damn.
It's always something that.
Yeah, I lost that one a while ago.
So we just left it on
It's
up.
a tracker.
Yeah, broke on the inside. What's the next show you going to with it?
I'm trying to go to Brand X, man, but fucking, I might have to work that weekend. I got you see Neo's coming.
So you going to upgrade again?
Yeah.
Cause that's the highest it can go right here. Ain't
Yeah, them are the new M6s.
it? Them things are huge.
Yeah, them's the new M6s. They only been in there a week. That's why they smelling.
That's all I'm asking. How long you had these in?
And they got an extra spider. I ain't even broke them in, bro.
I was wondering how you were playing a full. It's an AMPERE.
I ain't full, bro. I'm only pumping out 6K out of each 10K. One 10K on each way.
That's what I was gonna say. It's one
Yeah.
full song stuff. I know y'all was playing full song, no problem.
That's the way I roll, bro.
That's the way to do it.
This is my daily, bro.
I was just gonna ask you trailer or you drove it.
I drive it. I just got back from. I drove it to Tampa to Made of Steel.
You were down there?
16 hours I drove, bro.
I didn't even see you down there.
They put us on that backside over there.
Over there, all the way.
Yeah.
Come on, man.
Me and my boy, he trailered his shit.
Yeah, he said he don't drive that one.
No, it ain't no daily, bro. This is my day. Look at them muddy floor mats, bro.
You been
I'm a
riding
daily,
it.
bro.
And drove this
I
thing
smoked
before.
my ash right on the floor, bro.
So this is an everyday deal.
Dude,
Hey man, I know if you drove to Florida, this thing will go.
16 hours, bro.
Shit, I might not be crying about driving mine then.
16 hours.
All this on C-Max, the whole vehicle.
Yeah, I got a 504 in that door and a 504 in this door and a 480 that you can't see on this side of the amps.
So you got way.
1500 amp hours.
She was like, the voltage ain't dropping in here. I thought this was the only battery bank.
No, look on this side. And then there's one behind the amps you can't see. It's a long skinny
in the
C-Max.
back.
Another 480.
So you got the voltage regulator, you can turn it up and down.
Yeah, it's in the glove box.
Oh yeah, you got it all the way ready, bro. Man, what's that?
Ain't a screw in here I ain't put in there myself.
Oh, you did all this
By
yourself.
myself.
That's what I like to do, man. I mean, ain't nothing wrong with paying somebody, but if I know
Never.
if you know where everything is
I
at,
built my batteries, so I didn't pay all that money.
so you save money there, because you know you buy built is expensive.
Every piece of, there's over 300 foot of 4-aught welding wire in this truck.
No regular wire in here.
It's all 4-aught welding wire.
Heavy, the heavy stuff. That's wild, man. It's the 6 order and everything, right?
Oh yeah, there's a port right there.
Yes, sir.
This man,
You on social media anywhere they can follow you at?
I ain't no social media.
Not too much.
Bro. I don't even post videos, bro.
Hey, but just say what
I
you...
hope and pray somebody else posts a video.
Oh, man, we gonna post it, man.
I come here to get smiles, bro. I built
That's
this
what you
bitch
do
to
it
get
for.
smiles.
Hey, you know, when you look for approval, it don't work out right.
Right.
Yeah, so you know what
Yeah,
you do.
I'm just love to give demos.
Just have fun. Well, I tell people, they say, well, what about the school? I'm like, I ain't really caring about the school. If I do it, that's fine. But if I don't,
The only thing I will say I didn't do was I didn't build my doors. Cody Faulkner of Got Doors in the logo there. See it? Like it right here. It's all made for Cody Faulkner.
Did he build that one too? Okay, he did. Good.
I'm pretty sure he built them doors too. All of these guys are out of Indiana too.
That's right. Yeah, he done his wood roof and everything.
Cody Faulkner.
I remember he told me about that. That's the guy that
Look him up in Indiana. Cody Faulkner with a K.
I'm gonna be sure to tag him in the videos and the pictures as well, man.
Get on there, you'll find him. Just type in Cody Faulkner on fucking
on Facebook.
He's a doorman, bro.
He do wood roofs and everything.
He just does the doors.
Just the doors. Okay. You know about Wake the Dead in Arkansas? You gonna try to make that one?
Yep. Me and him's going to Wake the Dead.
Okay. We'll see you again then, bro. It's
We'll
good seeing you, bro. Thank you.
My window will be fake when I get there. Now I gotta tape it up to go home.
Just to make it home. Good seeing you, man. All right, bro.
Oh, yeah. You still rolling?
Yeah, it's still rolling.
Subscribe to this man's YouTube page, all right? You hear me?
All right, so appreciate it, man. Tell
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.